Today I take you to be my wife. I promise to love you as you deserve to be loved, with admiration, adoration, and respect through the good times and the bad times. I promise to be honest, caring, and truthful, to love you as you are, not as I want you to be. I vow to be a better man with each passing day, and to change as much as necessary, but as little as possible, so that no matter what happens and no matter how old we grow, I will always be the man that you married, and you will always see him in me.